How to hide Instagram notes from someone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Click on the chat icon at the bottom. After you're in the chat, you'll find notes of everyone at the top. In here, what you need to do to hide is hold on to the person, click on mute notes at the bottom. After you click on mute notes again. And after you do that, it will be hidden and you won't see their notes after this. And after you do this, you're good to go. This is how to hide Instagram notes from someone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.